Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Zack. I'm a kayak guide with Polar Latitudes and I'm here today. I'm going to talk to you about the types of clothing and equipment you need to be comfortable and safe while kayaking. This video is going to go through some of the clothing layering systems that you are expected to bring with you. Then we are going to talk about the specific kayaking equipment that Polar Latitudes will provide to you. First thing, you are going to need some thermal base layers, both top and bottom. Merino wool or synthetic are the best. It is really important they are not cotton, as cotton, when wet, will make your body cool. Next is your mid layers. So light fleece or another merino wool synthetic top and bottom. Then another light to medium to heavier weight fleece top and bottom layer. It will always depend on the temperature of the particular day, but more or less this 2 to 3 thermal base layering system will keep you warm enough. So socks. Socks are of the utmost importance to keep your feet warm and dry. You want 2 good quality wool or synthetic socks. One could be thinner and one could be thicker, but generally 2 medium weight wool synthetic socks will do the trick. In order to have warm feet, it is important to wait to put on fresh socks until right before you go out. This prevents sweat moisture from building up in your feet while you're walking around the ship in the morning or lunchtime. The dry suit is a water impermeable suit that protects you from the cold waters. It has built-in Gore-Tex booties and a plastic zipper that you will want to make sure you snap closed all the way every time. It has latex gaskets on the wrists, so you will want to make sure your wrists are clear of any jewelry or watches or anything in the way. The neck has a neoprene cuff that's easy to pop your head right through, but be sure to be aware of earrings or glasses while doing this. You might want to take them off. You want to make sure you step into the suit right away. One of our guides will be there to help you when we size you up in the correct size suit. It is important once you step into the suit, you put your booties on, your neoprene booties on, before you walk around, as the Gore-Tex socks of the dry suit are sensitive to getting damaged. Then you can put your personal flotation PFD on and make sure it is sized properly. You are all good to go. We will have neoprene skirts for you on your first paddling day. For your hands, we will have neoprene hand covers called pogies that are absolutely fantastic. They will be with the paddles each time you go out. We do have some thin neoprene gloves, but usually pogies are perfect for keeping your hands warm. They also make it easy to quickly grab something like your camera to get that perfect shot from the kayak. Each time you go out, you will bring a small dry bag with some essential items that you might need. It is really important to bring warm gloves, a warm hat, maybe a buff or neck tube, sunglasses, sunscreen, a water bottle, maybe some extra layers, as well as your camera or phone, whatever you're going to be taking pictures with. If going to shore before or after your paddle, you might want to bring an extra layer or maybe a change of boots that you can keep in your dry bag or in the Zodiac. You will be briefed on how to enter and exit the Zodiac each time. Thanks for watching. We are really looking forward to paddling with you. Thank you very much.